Hey peeps, I have been dying to talk about this product that I've been using for the past couple of weeks that has literally just like changed my hair game completely. I am not a professional, so I need all of the help that I can get when it comes to products. I don't know how to blow out my hair. I can only really curl it. So I'm always searching for a good product that will give me volume without knowing how to do a blowout. So I came across the Color Wow Xtra Large Bombshell Volumizer, and it is next level. So I tried a million volumizing products in the past just because I do have really thin, fine hair, and I have had such an issue with them. They're drying or make my hair look frizzy or just sticky, and I don't want a product to feel like I'm wearing product. This does that. It is so weightless. It thickens up my strands. I don't know what the sorcery is, but it is magic. I am obsessed with this. So I've been literally dying to show you guys how this works. I'm gonna go take a shower, shampoo, condition, get out, and I will show you how to apply and dry. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So this is a foam. I'll show you what it looks like. And you can just dispense 2 or 3 or 500 pumps. And then I just mix it in my hands. And then I just kind of put it evenly through my hair. And you want to do it when it's damp. There's no smell either. So if you're super sensitive to smell, this won't bother you. So then I just go back and make sure I'm getting it through my roots. I mean, do I even need to say anything else? This product is everything. Look at my hair. It feels soft. It looks amplified. It feels thicker. This is the whole entire package. Other volumizing products that I have tried have just been so drying. This has no salt, no alcohol, and no dehydrating ingredients. So I have that shine while also still keeping that body and that volume. Oh my God. I'm just in love. I've never tried a product like it in my entire life. And I'm grateful because I'm somebody who always curls their hair because that's the only time I can ever get a little bit of body. And now my straight hair just looks thick and it's everything. It is the full package. I am so impressed.